If you want to earn money from YouTube, this video is for you. You need to join YouTube Partner Monetization by fulfill 4,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Most of the people think that YouTube pays same amount of money for every videos, but it's totally wrong. It's depend on YouTube video niche and video duration. And here I just give you a high RPM niches list. You can select any niche from here and earn more money from YouTube. Here you can see I just give you an example. This video is very basic tutorial where I got 1.7k views and estimated revenue is $1.26. This video RPM is very low. It's less than $1. On the other hand, this video is a make money online related. It's high CPM niches where I got 1.5k views and estimated revenue is $12.76. This video RPM is high, it's $8.64. So always choose high CPM or high RPM niches to make more money from YouTube. Finally, I can say for 1,000 views, YouTube pay for $1 to $10 basically, sometimes more than 10. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.